How to use media in Cambridge Go eBooks. Find the Media menu in the panel on the far left. Media shows you all the video, image, and PDF resources in the file. Choose if you want to see media from the module you're in, the page or pages you're currently viewing, or choose to view all the media in the document. Change the item displays between block view and list view. Use filters to easily locate an image. Click on the drop-down and select a media type. Click on the second drop-down to select the relevant chapter or topic. Select Clear All to remove the filters. Blue is for images. These won't open in new tabs. You can zoom in or out with the slider and move around the image by clicking and dragging. Exit by clicking the X symbol in the top right corner. This arrow icon lets you jump to the page that the media is on. You'll see a red icon on the page. Clicking on it will open the media. PDF files are green. The PDF will open in a new tab if you are using Google Chrome. You can download the PDF by clicking the download icon on the top right. Video files are red and open in full screen. Exit by clicking the minimize icon on the bottom right. Orange files are activities. Answer questions, check the answers, and redo them if you want to.